Hello students, let us start with the next module. In this module, we learn some problems of trigonometric substitution. Let us start with the first problem. The problem says sine inverse root of x minus ax minus root of a minus ax. Let us name the function as y. Y will be sine inverse. If I take x common, I'll get it as sine inverse root x common 1 minus a minus a common 1 minus x. So next step will be y will be sine inverse root x root of 1 minus root a the whole square minus root a root of 1 minus root x the whole square. It is an example of double substitution, my friends. The inverse is sine inverse, so I'll substitute root x as sine alpha. If root x is sine alpha, alpha will be sine inverse of root x. I'll substitute root a as sine theta. If root a is sine theta, theta will be sine inverse of root a. So how the substitution will be now? Y will be sine inverse sine alpha root of 1 minus sine square theta minus sine theta root of 1 minus sine square alpha. So the next step will be y is equal to sine inverse sine alpha cos theta minus sine theta cos alpha, which is nothing but sine of alpha minus theta. So next step will be y is equal to sine inverse sine of alpha minus theta. Sine inverse of sine x is nothing but x. So y will be alpha minus theta. But what is alpha? Sine inverse of root x. What is theta? Sine inverse of root a. Let us differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is d by dx of sine inverse root x minus d by dx of sine inverse root a. Sine inverse root x is a composite one. To which standard function I can compare it? Sine inverse x. What is derivative of sine inverse x? 1 upon root of 1 minus x squared. So what I will get over here? 1 upon root of 1 minus root x the whole square. What is replacing big X? Root x. Differentiated d by dx of root x. What is derivative of sine inverse root a? 0. So dy by dx is nothing but 1 upon root of 1 minus x. What is derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root x. So the final answer will be 1 upon 2 root of x minus x squared. Let us solve one more problem of the same type, that is double substitution. Y is equal to cos inverse of ax minus root of 1 minus a square root of 1 minus x square. Let us name the function as y, already given it as y. Y is equal to cos inverse ax minus root of 1 minus a square root of 1 minus x square. The inverse is cos. So I need the formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So I'll substitute a as cos alpha, x as cos theta. So let us substitute x as cos theta. If x is cos theta, theta is cos inverse x. If a is cos alpha, alpha will be cos inverse of a. Let us substitute y is equal to cos inverse cos alpha cos theta minus root of 1 minus cos square alpha root of 1 minus cos square theta. So y will be cos inverse cos alpha cos theta minus sin alpha sin theta. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is nothing but cos of a plus b. So y will be cos inverse cos of alpha plus theta. Cos inverse cos of x is x. So y will be alpha plus theta. What is alpha? Cos inverse x. What is theta? Cos inverse a. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is dy dx of cos inverse x plus dy dx of cos inverse a. What is derivative of cos inverse x? Minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. What is derivative of cos inverse a? A 0, a constant. So dy by dx is nothing but minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square.